a default setup, you can press the space key to view the sign-in screen. But what if you see no login screen at all? If you also have the same problem, to fix the following issue, now you can restore your login screen with the Windows 11. Now you can restore your login screen in Windows 11 using the Control, Alt, and Delete keys combo together. To do this, make sure your PC is turned on, then press the Control key, the Alt key, and then the Delete key combo on your keyboard. Now this should force the sign-in screen to appear. Next, install pending Windows updates. You just have to open Settings, open Windows Update, click on Check for Updates, then click on Download and Install, wait for the updates to install, and then restart your PC to apply the changes. Lastly, perform a system restore. All you have to do is power off your PC, press the power option to restart, then start pressing the F11 key until you see the recovery menu. Now, depending on the computer manufacturer, you may have to use other keys to boot in the Windows recovery. Now, once you have this blue screen, under Choose an option, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced option. Next, click on the System Restore, and then select the most recent restore point in the System Restore wizard, then click Next. Now you have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the System Restore process. Now that's what you should do if you're having a blank login screen in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.